I promise you, this video will teach you everything you need to know about faceless digital marketing and how to actually make money while you're at it. But before that, I want to tell you, why the heck should you even listen to me? Hi, I'm Mihir Nabana. I have a beautiful community of over 100,000 people, both on Instagram and LinkedIn combined. I am a lawyer by degree, but for the love of me, I am a marketer. I have been a marketer for the last 9 years, and I have worked with 500 plus brands across the globe. I'm not telling you my story to take some kind of appreciation from you. I am telling you my story because you need to know why I have decided to start my journey in faceless digital marketing after all these years. Dealing with people is difficult. A large part of my work is to deal with people, and let's just say I am not a people's person. I take anxiety medication, I am highly impulsive, and I have been clinically depressed for the major years of my 20s. I am starting my journey in the faceless digital marketing space because I want to have that space and freedom for myself where the entire brand is not dependent on. And I want to give that same space to you, my audience, where you gain the value and still know how deeply possible it is to build an entire brand without you being the center of it, without it all depending on you. And most importantly, without being the face of it. Welcome to the Faceless Profit Show. This is a YouTube show where I'm going to be taking you behind the scenes of building a faceless digital marketing brand from scratch. This is where I will talk about faceless marketing, passive income, and digital products, all aiming to create more freedom for you. Now, you must be wondering, this is a faceless brand. Why am I showing my face on YouTube? This is because this is a part of my strategy to actually show you the real human behind the brand in my long form videos, but to actually build this faceless brand and the entire funnel using my short form content, which is going to be my Instagram. The handle is right here. The page looks like this right now because I've just started. So I will love to see you right from this day one. And we have a long way to go. What is faceless digital marketing? It is a space where you don't show your face. The brand is not dependent on you. You are simply showing up to share your knowledge, your expertise, and your opinion. Of course, on the subject matter that matters the most to you, in various formats that do not require you to show your face. I'm going to pop some examples here and here to show you the kind of brands that are building faceless digital marketing online. Shy Girl Money and Kelly. These people are literally building faceless brands from a year or two, and they have made millions. I have seen it closely. While you're building all of this, you get to create content on your expertise and build an audience around it. And of course, as a result, make actual real money. I'll tell you how I am doing it in just a few. Why do you need to start a faceless brand legitimately today? Why wouldn't you? Like, literally. Because I am going to be breaking down the entire process in front of you today, that if showing your face has been the barrier for you to start a business, it no longer will. Legitimately, just this morning, 22 August 2025, I made $457. This is from the sale that came from the previous audience that I already have, but it counts because the offer made sense to my audience. If you're curious about how I can help you one-on-one, I invite you to join the Passive Profit Club, the only course and community you would need to start your actual online business. Make real actual money, both active and passive. The first link linked below in the description is the link to check more details to this. And just because I am in the initial days of building this faceless brand, I am offering free consultation call to you so you can actually book it and come talk to me before you make a decision to enroll yourself in PPC and to just take any decision that has anything to do with building an online business from scratch. You can legitimately talk to me one-on-one before you take a decision to practically change your life. Let's look at the 4-step process you need to follow to be able to create a faceless digital marketing brand. Step 1, pick an industry and know who you are serving. Choose from the top 3 industries in the world, which are going to be the top 3 forever: health, wealth, and relationship. In these 3 industries, people will go to any length to solve their problem. For example, in the health industry, the problem is obesity. So your offer can be how to lose X pounds in 30 days without any crash diet. In the wealth industry, the problem is being broke. So your offer is going to be how to start an online business that generates $1,000 per month from scratch. In relationships, the problem is distance. Your offer can be how to reignite the lost love with your spouse with my 3-step framework. When you get clear on the problem you want to solve, you automatically get clear on who you want to solve this problem for. For example, in the health industry, you're basically solving the problem for a corporate individual who is obese because he keeps going back to crash diets. In the wealth industry, you're focusing on an aspiring entrepreneur who has the knowledge and the willingness, but no roadmap to monetize these skills. In the relationship industry, the target audience is a married couple who are both working and they have no time to legitimately nurture their relationship. So, what do you need to be clear about your target audience? 10 most common struggles, their dream life, and how does your offer help them? You just need this information and you're good to go. Let me conclude this step by telling you my answers. My industry is the problem I'm solving. I'm helping women start faceless and digital brands online so that they have the time and location freedom, the financial freedom, and they can do it while they're sharing their knowledge with the world. Who's my target audience? Women who want more in their life. Simple. Step 2. Pick an offer or package your knowledge into digestible and consumable pieces that people can easily consume to get to their desired results. We are obviously going to focus on digital products here and not physical ones. You can offer the following: ebooks, courses, video and audio, educational email series, checklists, templates, debriefs, planners, and so much more. I'm going to be telling you more about this obviously on this channel in the upcoming videos. Sure, you subscribe to the channel right now. It will give me so much motivation, I can't even put that in words. But I'm going to be giving you a golden nugget that you need to understand right now. Otherwise, it is going to make it very difficult for you to actually make money with your faceless or digital brand. If you want to make money right off the bat, do not create an offer from scratch. Hear me out. Find an offer you believe in, test it, and ensure it comes with MRR, which is Master Resell Rights. What the heck is that? This is where the creator of the offer, who has originally created it, is giving you the full right to sell the offer as your own, while you do not rebrand it, of course, and you sell it at the same price that they are offering it in the market to obviously avoid competition. You basically get to keep 100% of the profits. That's the most important thing in this entire case. You also get to sell the same offer with master resell rights to your audience, which means your audience will be able to make their entire investment back that they made in you with the single sale of the same offer. I have master resell rights to the Passive Profit Club, which was originally created by an amazing friend and an inspiration. I have tested her offer with my bare hands and I know it works 100%, and this is why I'm putting my name behind it and offering it to my audience. At this point, even if you are remotely interested in knowing how I can help you build your entire online faceless digital brand, legitimately change your life, book a free consultation call with me. It is just going to be here for a couple of days and I will explain you exactly what needs to be done and how. Step 3, choose 2 channels for marketing. Preferably go for 1 short form channel and 1 long form channel. Instagram is legitimately for like quick bits and for instant gratification, truly. But long form videos, which is YouTube, is literally for education and relationship building. You will be creating faceless content or with face also sometimes, however the situation is. And you and I will decide that together. On these channels, of course, the 2 channels that you choose, to build an audience who will benefit from your offer. For example, based on my industry, my target audience, and my offer, these are my content pillars: faceless marketing, passive income, digital products, online empire, luxury lifestyle, women empowerment, confidence, motivation, and mind. All of the components that you actually legitimately need to create a faceless or digital empire online. Step 4, systematically organize your funnel and make it functional. Please don't invest all of your energy in creating content while you have no idea what is the funnel you are going to run in the back end while you're building an audience. A funnel is a simple journey your audience takes from beginning to end, from awareness to consideration to purchase. Let me show you my funnel. The entry point, which is awareness stage, is going to be Instagram and YouTube content. The middle phase, which is going to be the consideration phase, is going to be my lead magnet and my email list, and a free school community, which is coming up soon. And the selling stage, which is the conversion stage, I'm offering the Passive Profit Club and my one-on-one consultation. I legit worked on my funnel first and then thought of creating content, and not the other way around. So please don't waste your energy by actually creating content all the way and not knowing what to sell. If you need my help building your funnel from scratch, putting all the pieces together without all of the messy middles and without all of the guesswork, you know what to do right now. Book a free consultation call and let me help. This is just the beginning. I am going to take you behind the scenes of every single step I take to my faceless marketing brand, and that too from scratch. So if you're interested in seeing all of the the mistakes, the blunders even, then subscribe to the channel, and you have no idea how much motivation it will give me and how much it will mean. I will see you in the next video in the upcoming week, where I am going to be talking about how to create a faceless Instagram page, literally a step-by-step tutorial, and how I created my faceless Instagram page, which is the Faceless Profit Club, with a live update of where I am at with my revenue. Signing off while I send all my love